It will mark 2 years since Hurricane Sally devastated this part of the Gulf Coast. Signs and scars of the storm are still evident in Baldwin County.
Yeah, specifically in Foley, repairs are just now starting to wrap up at the city's airport. WKRG News 5's Debbie Williams is live at the Foley Airport. And Debbie, it really seems pretty quiet there.
Yeah, normally this would be a pretty busy place. You'd have private planes buzzing around, students learning how to fly. But in the last week or so, air traffic around this airport has come to a stop. The sound of an airplane. It's not something you've heard much around Foley City Airport these days.
It's pretty quiet here right now.
No takeoffs or landings because the runway is closed for repairs.
This is just to seal the cracks that exist, the joints in the cracks, and then to put a seal coat and new markings.
The bigger project that has cut down on air traffic, the rebuilding and repair of damage from Hurricane Sally almost 2 years ago.
There's 24 units there, 3 buildings, and they were severely damaged by the hurricane. They were damaged to the point that they needed to be demolished and reconstructed.
After 4 months and almost $3 million, repairs are almost complete. As soon as crews finish the 3,700-foot runway, planes that have been temporarily grounded will once again be free to fly the friendly skies.
It is a pretty active airport for as small as it is.
And could get busier, with upgrades to the current facilities and future expansions a possibility. Now, the runway repair should wrap up next week, and then the air traffic will be open again here at Foley Airport while crews work on the taxiway. Live on the Baldwin County beat in Foley, Debbie Williams, WKRG News 5.